Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Hugo on Windows. For that, we need to search Hugo latest releases, and then we need to search on this link. And now, if we scroll down, here we can see so many zip files, and then we need to click on Show All 31 Assets. And here we can see more zip files. So here I will download Hugo extended Windows AMD 64.zip file because my PC is 64-bit. So I need to click on that. So our zip file already downloaded. Now we need to go to our download folder and then we need to extract our zip file. Now we will copy these files and then we need to go to our local disk C and then we need to click on program files and here we will create a new folder and we need to give it name as Hugo with capital H, and then here we need to create another new folder which name we need to give as bin, and inside bin we'll paste our files and here we need to click on continue. So we already set our files inside the bin folder. Now we need to select bin and right click and we need to copy the address, and then we need to go to our search bar and we need to search environment variables and hit enter, and then we need to click on environment variables, and from our system variables we need to click on path and we need to click on edit, and here we need to paste copied address, and then we need to click on OK, and then here also need to click on OK and here OK. Now if we go to our command prompt and search Hugo version, here we can see our Hugo version is 0.149 like that. So now let's create a Hugo new site. So for that I will create a new folder and then I will open it in my VS Code, and then I will open my terminal by clicking Ctrl Shift backtick. If we want to create a Hugo new site, we need to type Hugo new site and then our site name. So here I am giving site name as blog. So here we can see our Hugo blog site is created, and then inside content we need to create a markdown file. So we need to type underscore index.md, and here first we need to create front matter block. So we need to type triple dash and then title. It will be hello world, and then draft it will be false, and then we'll close our front matter block, and then we'll create a h1 tag and here we will type hello world, and then my first home page without a theme, and then inside our layouts folder we need to create another folder and it will be underscore defaults, and inside our defaults folder we need to create a file index.html, and here we'll create our HTML boilerplate, and then inside our document we need to type dot title, and then inside our body we need to create h1 tag, and here we need to type dot title, and below it we'll create a div, and inside our div we need to type dot content, and then we need to save it. Now let's run our project. So first we need to go to our root directory. So we need to type cd block, and then here we need to run Hugo server capital D, and then run it. So if we click on this link, so here we are getting error that page not found. It is because here we need to rename our defaults folder to default. It will not be default. So let's save it, and so here we can see our text, but we can see hello world comes 2 times. So we can remove one hello world. For that we need to go to our index.md, and let's remove this one, and here we can make it hello world. So now if we go, so here we can see our hello world, and it comes from title, and then our text, my first home page without a theme, and that's come, that's we can see. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. Thank you.